Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Raoul Vate's innovation, where the concept of herbs meet modern cosmetology, where the science of cosmetology and beauty are studied at a molecular level, a product based on indigenous research. Tricho Neutri Scalp Nourishing Stimulating Pack. Tricho Neutri has some special ingredients like licorice, which is known for its calming and anti-inflammatory action, because of which it relieves the scalp itch and irritation. It is also well known to promote hair growth. The ginger contents in Tricho Neutri increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of the blood to the scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages hair growth. Tricho Neutri is highly recommended in balding, scanty and sensitive scalp. Order now from the link below in the description. This is Vikrant Oberoi. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.